Looking at this bad boy, as we can see, it's actually got quite a small cable right here. So if I unwind this, we can kind of see how long this bad boy is. Very, very short. But you don't have to worry too bad because the other side also has an extendable cable. So let's unwind this bad boy and see just how long this is. The cables feel pretty decent. This side definitely is a little thicker than the other side. So if I had to guess, you're gonna have about 1 meter of length. So you're probably gonna need an extension cord for this, but it's not necessarily a bad thing. The device itself is very inexpensive. It comes with very simple but very nice little clamps. This piece feels, obviously, to me, not the best quality. It's kind of squishy old cheap plastic. But based on some of the reviews, this thing is pretty good. So it does 7-stage automatic smart battery charging. So there's a ton of different types of charging that you can do with this bad boy. It gives you a lot of different screens. So I'll upload a video later showing how it works. But for now, build quality, not my favorite. But I still think that this thing can do a very good job.